everybody! Today I am so excited to be unboxing the Sadie Stickers Advent Calendar, and if this journaling card that's right on top is any indication, I am going to love this kit so much. I mean, my goodness, not only is this my favorite color scheme ever, but like the watercolor effects, the illustration, all of it just so luxe and pretty. I love that. So this is the note on the back, and I have been avoiding all spoilers. Anytime I see someone unboxing them on like Insta stories or on their Instagram, I immediately exit, so I have not seen any of the contents of this yet. These two items were on the top of the packaging, so we've got this little set of countdown stickers, which obviously don't really need those, gonna open them all up today, and then a VB pen ink refill. So yeah, I'm going to first take everything out of this packaging and take a look at the daily packages. All right, so here we have all 12 days and packages outside of the box. I am loving this color scheme of the packaging. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see what's inside. So what I'm gonna do, every day is packaged separately. So I'll start with day 1, make my way through day 12, and each day I will hold up the packaging like this, flip it over, and that will be the time, if you don't want to see that day, to go ahead and exit out of the video. So I will have that short little like intro to each day if you would like to back out and only watch up to a certain day and not ruin the surprise for any future days. All right, let's get started. All right, first up, we're going to be starting off with day 1. Okay, the adhesive on these envelopes is no joke. I like had to Hulk rip through that thing. All right, so let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a weekly pad. Okay, so we've got this week and then Monday through Sunday, and then next week each one has like a really pretty faint pink border around it, and then the background is like a floral. This is a very nice soft paper too. Looks like we get quite a few sheets here, and if I'm not mistaken, this lettering is from Letters to Apollo. It looks like her very signature handwriting or calligraphy, which is so beautiful. So this is really nice, just like for a quick list and overview of the week. I like that a lot. Oh yeah, there we go, Sadie Stickers and Letters to Apollo. Next up, we're moving on to day 2. So for day 2, we have a pack of stickers. Let me get those out. All right, so here is the day 2 set of sticker sheets. So you get 4 different foils from left to right. We've got the hollow, rose gold, silver, and then gold. And I love these, the scallops with the bows, little decorative pieces. And the colorway is really nice too. Next up, we're going to day 3. There we go. I can't like try to guess. It feels like washi tapes, like maybe the skinny tapes. Let's see. All right, day 3. Oh my goodness, it's 4. Oh my gosh. Okay, so 4 skinny tapes from these 3 have Rose Colored Days logo, and this one oh, they all 4. Okay, it's double-sided. So Sadie Stickers and Rose Colored Days. Let me open. So we get the 4 different foils here: rose gold, hollow, silver, and gold. I'm gonna open one and roll it out. Okay, so here is the washi tape all rolled out. This one is the rose gold, and it is perforated around the scallop, so it'll be super easy to tear off and use as headers. That's really cute. Can you see those perforations on there? This is really cute, and I like how the bows are transparent too, so whatever you have behind it will show through. And since I had this one rip off while I was trying to roll that back up, I thought I would share. It looks like the standard size for most vertical columns, like 1.5, I believe, inches. So yeah, perfect size for those headers. All right, we have already made it to day 4. All right, day 4 is another pack of stickers. Okay, so it looks like we get 4 of the same sheet, all in different foils though, of these swirly accent decorative pieces. And I really like that she did it this way, so that if you have a preference for foil, you're covered, or if you just like to have a variety to match all kinds of different layouts and kits and things like that, you are all set. Up next we have day 5. This is a big one. Let's see. Okay, so day 5 we have, looks like some vellums. Okay, so yeah, we get 1, 2, 3 sets of vellums. Here is the first one. I'll set it by itself over here so you can really see the pattern on it. You've got some different lettering on there. And then we've got this really beautiful marble vellum. And then the last one is this one with the florals. Oh yeah, this marble one is definitely my favorite one of the three, but I love how these will go with just about anything. Any kind of setup or color scheme. So that works out perfectly. Next up, we're going to be opening up day 6. I have just like completely demolished all of these envelopes. Okay, so day 6 we have another pack of stickers. And it is another 4-pack with the variety of foils. And this one looks like a mix of 1/4 and 1/2 boxes or various sizes of boxes with the scallops and bows at the top. This gold one is so pretty with this color palette. So this is day 6. Day 7 feels a little bit heavier than the rest of them. It feels like maybe a spiral or a coil over here, or am I completely off? I don't know. Let's find out. We're going to open up day 7 now. All right, here we go. Sorry I'm doing most of the opening off screen. That sound of the paper and plastic rustling is, I just hate it. So here we go. Oh, it was a coil. Or a coil. Oh, see that sound right there? Sorry. Okay, so this is day 7. Look at this cover. This is nice. Okay, so you've got the heart doily on the front. And then, oh, it's all sticker release paper. This is such a cute little one. Oh my goodness. And so many pages inside too. Wow. Definitely would have expected that many pages, but that's incredible. Like you can fit so many on here of like the kit leftovers. Oh my goodness. And it's just such a pretty cover. Next up, we have day 8, and yeah, I'm gonna guess that this one is gonna be some sort of a washi tape. Let's see. And it is a pretty washi tape with foiled, looks like the doilies with the bows in the middle. So let's roll it out. And here we have the tape all rolled out. It's got a very faint pink background with the gold foil doilies and then the bows in the middle. So cute. All right, we're moving on to day 9. Ripped another one. Okay, so day 9, we have more stickers. Let's see. Yep, another set of 4 of the same sheet and all of the foils. And this one has the different date numbers on there. So you've got enough to do 4 months worth of layouts there. And then you've got a couple at the end here. Oh no, wait, this one has 2 months on each. Oh, awesome. I didn't even see that at first. And that has 2 blank ones at the end too, which would be really cute to layer on top of like an icon sticker, this pretty little wreath. So yeah, 2 per each sheet. That's really nice. Next up, we have day 10. All right, so day 10, more stickers. I mean, what were you expecting? The name is Sadie Stickers. This Advent is very on point with that. There we go. All right, so this one has another 4 sheets of the same design and different foils. And this one has 5 different colorways of the pretty hearts with the gold foiling on the top one here as a border. So those are our 4 sheets for day 10. Next up, we have day 11. Oh, my tag fell off. I'm really loving this like velvet type packaging here. This little pouch. Yay! It's a VB pin. Let me take it out of this box really quick. All right, here is the Sadie Stickers Advent Calendar VB pin. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got the light pink barrel, gold hardware, white logo, and then a mix of, it looks like clear and some baby pink crystals in there with gold sequins that are little bows. Oh, I love that. This is so gorgeous. Ooh, so for those of you who don't know, I collect VB pins. Yep. A lot of them, like a ton of them. And I was so excited to see this mentioned in the list of products for the Sadie Stickers Advent Calendar. I'm so excited to add this into my collection. It is beautiful. And we have made it to the very last day. This is day 12. All right, here we go. Last day, day 12. Oh, wow. Okay, we get a sticker kit and I already see it. Look, it's the picture from the journaling card. This is stunning. Okay, so we get a 4-page kit. Let's go ahead and do a close-up. This is just beautiful. So it's gold foiled and total room goals. I wish I had a room that was this beautiful, especially with this gallery wall right here. Wow. Okay, Okay, here's the second page. We've got our boxes and sidebar stickers. And the third page, dang, the foil is popping on this one. Look at all of that shimmer and shine. And then the last page has the washi and the date covers. This is so gorgeous. I think I'm gonna use this for my birthday week. This is just beautiful and perfect colors. I love this so much. So gorgeous. And that's a wrap on my unboxing of the 2020 Advent Calendar from Sadie Stickers. I really love the color palette and the overall theme of this box. I'd love to know what your favorite part of it was too if you want to drop that in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.